Bro, I swear there's been a whisper coming from that box all night. At first, I thought I was just tired, like maybe my brain was glitching. But nah, the sound was real. Software faint, almost like someone saying my name. I grabbed my phone, turned the flashlight on, and pointed at the box in the corner. Nothing. Just an old cardboard box I'd shoved there days ago. I laugh it off, tell myself I'm just overthinking. But then, the whisper comes back. Louder. Clearer. It's time. My stomach drops. My hands are sweaty. And suddenly, the room feels heavier, like even the air is against me. I sit on my bed, frozen, waiting. Minutes feel like hours. Every little creak in the house makes me jump. My heart's legit beating out of my chest. Finally, I can't take it anymore. I stand up, each step toward that box slower than the last. My flashlight's shaking so much it makes the shadows crawl across the wall. I get closer. The whisper is right there, right behind the cardboard. My breath catches. My whole body's tense. I kneel down, hands trembling, and rip the lid open. And inside, just my cat.
Aww.
Pawing at an old sock like it's the most fun toy in the world. All that panic, all that fear, and it was just Whiskers, vibing in a box.